Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the laced reinforced concrete beam reinforced with wood cover as the external layer. Let me remove the concrete here and make it part instance. See, this is the wood cover and this is the laced concrete. See, we have a laced concrete here. Let me remove also the wood, and here this is the laced concrete, you can see that. And now let me replace all, and now let me replace just the wood here and click on animate. You can see under the explosion the wood is filled completely. If I click on this, you can see the failure of the wood. It is the brittle material, elastic after that failure, because it is wood and it is unidirectional material, and this is the tension for the fiber, compression for the matrix here, and tension for the matrix. You can see these are the outputs for the wood. Now let me replace it to check the compression damage for the concrete. See here, this is the concrete with compression damage. It is failed completely. Tension damage, stiffness degradation, and displacement. And now let me replace the laced reinforcement. See the reinforcement here is the deformation. Laced model of the reinforcement increase the ductility absolutely, and this is the stress, plastic strain, or anything else. Let me replace all, or anything else you can consider it, for instance. Okay, and now let me draw the force, and also can be displacement diagram. The maximum force happen here, and after that we have decreasing capacity. You can see that. If you want to model the glass explosion over the composite beam or laced reinforced concrete, also reinforced with wood as a cover, external cover, and investigate the damage behavior of the materials like wood, concrete, or anything else, you can use this tutorial here. This is a full tutorial. So to provide this tutorial, come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial, click on title or blue sign, then you will have title, geometry part, assembly, the picture of the geometry, material step interaction, then the result as figures you can see. The cost for the CAE INP English video for and reference paper for the material and method is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process, the content of the tutorial. Here we have also a full package. This is really a full package. By using this package, you don't need anything to learn the abacus. So don't waste your money and your time and provide this full package. It contains more than 400 tutorials and it covers everything in abacus for all level, beginner to advanced users. For instance, we have explosion with all method for all the materials, impact high and low for all the materials, welding with all method, fusion, I don't know, resistance welding, water jets, impact welding, FSW for any material, and deflux subrouting for all the types of the fusion welding, biomechanics for all the phenomena in the biomechanics field, forming, cracks, soil, CFD for structure, thermal analysis, cyclic welding, masonry, discrete element method, SPH method, pull-out, composite, concrete structure, steel, anything. You can buy this affordable package very easy. Just contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.